Hi guys, our friend is just killing our chickens because of that he didn't have a stick for that he faked that, and so he's just started killing it all. He's not done. Fuck you. I'm sorry that bad. Dude, stop. Just stop.